everybody. This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Vang Vieng here in Laos. And I want to show you my room here at the Amari Hotel right along the riverfront. Very nice hotel actually. And we're going to do a little bit of walking around here and show you what this place has to offer. This is actually a one-bedroom suite. All right, we got a salad, steak, and some ribs. That's a lot of food, I didn't realize. Okay, so I've just had some lunch and now I am headed out to do some exploring. Hopefully I can get up to the viewpoint here. So recently they had some issues with some very tragic stuff happening with backpackers here. It happened here at, I think, one of the hostels. Nana Hostel maybe is what it's called. I'm not sure exactly. That's just what I've been told. But yeah, you've got to watch the alcohol around here. Make sure it's real alcohol, because that's where the issue has happened. Alcohol poisoning. So maybe just stick with beer Lao if you come down here. Let me take you down to the river real quick. So I came up from Vientiane today. My driver was a very slow and cautious driver. Sometimes he would be going 90 kilometers an hour, and then he would go all the way down to like 70 for no reason at all. He was an older guy, so it took a little bit longer. I would say it took probably about 2 hours and 15 minutes. I think it's only supposed to take about an hour and a half. You can also get there by train, and the train would take you here in about an hour. It's a high-speed train. China just built a brand new high-speed train here in Laos. Here's the river. So there's a viewpoint up here somewhere. Very beautiful mountains you can see. I'd like to get out there on that river there. Get up to the viewpoint. I'm sure the water's pretty cold. Let's go down there and feel it. It's icy, or if it's, what is this? Gray water here. That doesn't look good. It's pretty cold. Yeah, it's cold. It's not icy cold, but it's cold. Okay. Back out on the road here. This is now the third massage shop. So here's a look at some of the activities. You can see they've got hot air balloons and they've got the paramotor, 5 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Got half-day tours, full-day tours, kayaking, 2 caves. Wow, hello, Blue Lagoon. So good, Blue Lagoon. We'll see what I end up doing here, but I'm definitely on foot exploring the village, or the town. Maybe they call it a city. This is called Walking Street. Looks like it's had better days. What did they do to Walking Street? Is that Walking Street? Looks like it's done. Well, we've got a rooftop view bar right there. Got another road that takes you towards the river. Massage again. It's probably like the 10th massage place. Also lots of barbers here. So pretty much what you have: tour booths, massage, you got tattoo, hotel, and then like a convenience store. You can see there's another honey massage. So lots of massages. What's this? Hal Express. Okay, we're back out on the road again. Oh, banana on the grill. Barbecue banana. Huh?
1,000 people.
Okay, 1,000. Very common to see these kind of barbecue setups with bananas. Hello. Like some turnips or something. Sticky rice. This is the Remember Vang Vieng Hotel right here. Very nice. Look at that. see? Buddha. All right, so I've got a taxi driver here, a Tuk Tuk driver. I'm sitting in the cab with him, and it's 300,000 keep. So he's just going to take me on a personalized tour here in the afternoon instead of a group tour. So this should be interesting. So now for some context, I was just walking along and I decided that I wanted to see what's going on in the backcountry up in those hills. So I saw this Tuk Tuk driver and he was just getting off a shift, and I asked him if he wanted to give me a ride, and he said he did. So he's going to be taking me up into the hills. We're going to see if we can get a viewpoint, also some of the lagoons, and just really see what's back here. Also a little later on you'll see some of the balloon tours that go on here. They also have paramotors flying around. All right, so we're here at Blue Lagoon 1. It's 20,000 keep to get in here, and it looks like it's very crowded. Like, what is going on? It's a very popular lagoon or what? Oh, there's fish in there. Well, it's about 5 p.m. here, and you can see we've got hot air balloons all over here. Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. We've got another beautiful evening here in Laos. Check out these chairs made of tires. That's cool. Hello. Hi. Good. Damon Hotel, that's a great location. So you know if it's safe for women to walk by themselves. What's this guy doing? He's cutting down a whole tree. They are cutting down that tree. What a moment in history. Why are they cutting down the tree? Nice little resort here. Huh?
Will be better.
Yeah. Yeah, you want to see, yeah. Oh! Whoa! Timber! Oh my gosh, the dogs are okay. Wow.
You got it, huh?
Yeah, why'd they take away? Yeah. Let me see, why'd they take away? Huh? Oh, they want to build something. Yeah, they're going to build something down here. Yeah, they're going to put the driveway. Well, they got another one they're going to take down. Well, I'm down here at the river. I'm going to see if he can give me a little ride on his boat. So we got to negotiate a price, I guess. All right, so we're out on the river now. Never a dull moment in Southeast Asia, is there? Yeah, so that was fun. That was really nice, especially in the evening time, sunset. It's really good. Saw some water buffaloes. So anyway, I'm going to tour through here, show you a little bit of the nightlife action. Then I'll take you out to one of the lagoons in the daytime. Look at all these hotels. This place is booming, man. This has got to be one of the premier up-and-coming places in Southeast Asia right now. Haircut right there. So Laos style haircut. All right, so I just stopped and got a haircut. Laos style haircut. Blue Lagoon chicken. Chicken fry. Some massage shops. So I'm actually staying at this hotel right here. This is the Amari. My room is $100 a night. It's probably the best hotel in the town. So now I've actually got to get my laundry that I dropped off that's ready by 6. I'm gonna walk around here at this little night market walking street. I've eaten at that restaurant 2 times now. Over here they have like these K-pop, KTV, Korean karaoke. KTV. I don't know what goes on in there. It's like a karaoke thing, I guess. La Torilla. It's fried chicken. And here we have 99 KTV. Another one. So this is what it looks like inside of here.